Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody's feeling very, very well. I'm filming this on Christmas Eve, so chances are I probably won't speak to you again. So I just wish all my subscribers, my family, my friends a very, very warm and Merry Christmas. I hope that Santa brings all the boys and girls everything they want, and I don't want to be doom and gloom, but just give a little thought to those that don't have family or are homeless or going through their own crisis and issues. Christmas at this time of year can be devastating to some families. So just raise a glass when you're having that beautiful Christmas dinner and wish the less fortunate people good wishes and all of that nice, kind stuff we're supposed to do this time of year. So before I get into the video, I just wanted to announce again regarding the December giveaway. I'm running the Morphe Jeffree Star palette. I'll just show you inside. Whoever wins this, I do apologise if my mitts are all over it, but I just wanted to show you guys this is what you could win if you care to enter the giveaway. I will link the video down in the description for those of you who have not entered yet and wish to. I can say it's open to international and the rules are very, very simple. So please go ahead, check that video out and enter. Right, so today is all about Stitch Fix. As you know, I like my old Stitch Fixes. I requested from Stitch Fix, from my stylist, some more casual pieces like sweaters, sweatpants, just very, very casual. I also requested some white trainers. I'm not into glitz and glamour. I'm not particularly going anywhere, and if I am, I do have enough clothes for that occasion. So yeah, I'm just kind of looking, because I feel like both my subscription boxes were sending me rather dressy up, officey kind of clothing. It's not for me. I prefer the down, sort of like underestimate. Gosh, that's even before I've started hitting the Prosecco. Understated clothing. Right, okay. So, I've got the Stitch Fix box here. This is what it comes like. For those of you that do not know, it is a clothing subscription. You can have this, I have mine twice a month, you can have it once a month. It will cost you £10 for a styling fee, but that £10, if you choose to keep anything from your box, will be deducted. So you get it in a lovely box, it's all wrapped up, it's really great. So I feel like I'm getting Christmas early in this house. You also get some paperwork, which I tend to leave towards the end. Okay, so let's get on with the unboxing. So, first bundle we have, okay, so do they call that plaid? I think that's called plaid, is it? I don't own anything from plaid. Don't know what that is, and that may be a hoodie. Again, I did ask for like sweaters, hoodies, that kind of stuff. So let's get into it and have a look. Right, so the first item is, quite cute actually, I do like this. So it's a shirt, it's this plaid, quite Christmassy kind of colours. Do like this, look nice with a denim pair of jeans. Yeah, like that a lot. Look forward to trying that on. Second piece we have is a sweatshirt with stars on it. I don't know if this is navy or black, not sure. I like it, the feel of it is really good quality, keep you nice and warm. It's got the rib sleeve and the rib bottom area here with the rib going around the neck as well. So yeah, like that. And the final piece out of this bundle is indeed a hoodie. I like this a lot. I like the zippies. I prefer zip hoodies rather than over the head ones. This again feels a really, really good quality. I like the front pockets here to stick your phone in and your keys, whatever you're carrying about with you. And it's lined with the stripes here, and this is a navy blue. I have to say the quality on this is outstanding, it's really heavy. So, yep, 3 pieces, really like those so far. We have another bundle, which looks like a jacket. Oh, look at this. This is a biker jacket. I've got to say, I'm not sure whether I need any more biker jackets. This is nice. It's quilted. I'm guessing somebody's tried this on already because the arms are already folded up. But that's okay. It's nice. Like it. It smells gorgeous. So I'll just undo the sleeves because I do feel like someone's turned this up to try it on. Okay. It's nice. I do feel like it might be a bit small. We'll see. Okay, and final thing out of this Stitch Fix box, we have some trainers. So I did request some white trainers. I have a lot of outfits but don't have any trainers. Okay, not sure about these, I'll be honest guys. I think white can make your feet look big. I think white shoes can emphasize if you do have big feet anyway. These are a size UK 7. But we'll try them on and have a look and see. Sure you don't need to see the second one, but there you go. I like the idea that you get the little Stitch Fix little bag there. Right, okay, so that's the unboxing. Excuse me. Go and dive some of this stuff on and I'll be back in a jiffy. Hi guys, so I've got the first two pieces on. I have the leather jacket, which fits very well actually. I was a bit concerned that I felt it looked a little bit too small when I did initially take it out, but this is perfect for me. I like it. I don't like it too big. I think this size does give it a little bit of shape. Let me know your thoughts guys. Was it maybe a little bit tight here? Maybe, I'm not sure. I don't know, but I don't normally wear these done up anyway. I prefer them undone, more casual look. So yeah, I quite like the jacket. I like the paddedness on this. It's very warm, and guess what guys, the sleeves actually fit perfectly for once. There's not many jackets that I get that the sleeves actually do fit really well. So that is the first item. Do you like that? I like it a lot. Do I need another biker jacket? This is the question. Okay, and then we have the first sweatshirt on. Again, I like this. The quality is outstanding. I like the stars, I like the print. Fits really well. It's not oversized, which is fine. So yeah, really nice sweatshirt. I really like this a lot. It's very cool. Okay, hang fire and I'll be back with the next outfit. Hi guys, so we are back now with the last three pieces. I thought I'd just put them all on at once. I thought I would try the hoodie on with the jacket, which I do actually really do like. It's quite trendy. We've already discussed that I really do like the jacket. Very nice. And then onto the hoodie. I love this bit of detailing on it. It's got a little emblem here. We have pull strings here. And the hood is like big enough just to keep the rain off. It's a front zip and it has front pockets. The quality on this is outstanding. It's a really nice warm piece that I really do actually like. This is completely my style. Lovely, I do like this a lot. Okay, and then onto the plaid shirt. I don't own anything like this. I didn't think I was going to actually like this on. Oopsie. I think it's the red lipstick that makes this stand out amazingly. I love. This is so casual, good for a school run in the morning. Sling it on and I'm out the door. Absolutely brilliant. I feel this is a really good trendy piece. It's basic and yet I feel like it's really comfortable. I love the colour. I like the colour of the blue and the red mixed together. It's a good length. It has your booty. And I suppose you could do a front tuck or maybe tie it up at the waist if you chose to. Either way, I think this is a really nice piece. So that is the try on complete, guys. I really do hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to take this off and I'll be back 2 secs and we'll go through some pricing. Bye. Hi guys, so we are back again. So just to let you know, if you missed the beginning of the video, this is the giveaway for December. It is the Jeffree Star Artistry Palette collaboration with Morph. So if you would like to enter for that, please feel free. I will leave the link for that video in the box. Also, if you like these kind of videos, don't forget, please subscribe to my channel. I really do appreciate it. Also, don't forget, like this video and please leave your comments down below of what you thought really looked lovely. In reference to the trainers, I tried to get one of these on and I really struggled to get all this undone. So unfortunately, I won't be keeping these. Okay, so in our box, we do have some paperwork. Now, I did notice that we would have a bag to return our items. It looks like they've stopped doing that, which is really good because I'm hoping they're going to actually keep recycling the boxes that they originally send out. You do instead get a sticker, which I'm assuming you stick back on. It's the same still. You take it to your local delivery place and they will send it on for you back to Stitch Fix. So I really like the idea that there's no more plastic bags. And then you would receive invoice. You also receive, oh, what's this? Oh, this tells you how to do it because it used to say that on the flaps of the boxes, but it doesn't anymore. So if you just read that, it tells you how to do it, when to do it and where to do it. Very easy. If you'd like to join up to Stitch Fix, then please use my link. I'll leave that in the description. If you decide to try it, you will get £15. Invite your friends, say £15 my next fix and you will get £15 credit too, so it's a win-win situation. So just to let you know, happy Christmas, Leah. I'm sorry to start with bad news, but unfortunately your lovely stylist Anna has left the company, which I'm absolutely floored about. I'm so upset. I've kind of like gelled with her. She really got to know me over the last few months, but I do wish her every happiness and success in whatever she is moved on to. Instead, I have a new stylist. Her name is Katie. If I remember rightly, did she not do my last box? I kind of sent everything back, so she's done a really good job with this one. Okay, so let's talk about the pricing. So you do get an invoice. Can't find my glasses, so I'll have to do with this. So the first item I would like to talk about is the check, or what do they call it? Plaid. I think they call it plaid. I have to say, I like the fit on this. I like the colour. I think you could dress this up, dress it down. I think this would equally look really great with a faux leather pair of trousers. Really nice. And it'd probably look quite cute with that, with the leather biker jacket as well. So this is by Jules. It's called the Lorena Long Line Woven Shirt. The colour is red. The size is 16. The price is $49.95. It's a little bit expensive for what that is. Okay, so that's the first item. Second one is the leather jacket. Absolutely like this. It fits in all the right places. It's very comfortable. I like the length of the sleeves, not too long. I would say it was a little bit too snug when I did zip it up. However, I feel like the next size up might be oversized. Don't know. So this is by Oasis. It is called the faux leather quilted biker jacket. The colour is black. The size is large and this would be £59. I have to say, I think that's really good quality. Considering here you're getting a faux leather biker jacket and yet the shirt is only £10 cheaper. Okay. Then we had the hoodie. This is called, this is by Crew Clothing. It's a zip through hoodie. The colour is navy. The size is £16. The cost of this is £55. Yes, seems rather expensive just for a hoodie. However, I will emphasise that the quality, the thickness is absolutely spot on. I think it's a really nice piece that I would enjoy actually wearing. Totally, this box is absolutely spot on as for my style. So Katie, well done. You've got it spot on. Then we have, this is by Movet. This is the Stella embroidered start sweat jersey. The colour is navy. The size is 16. This would cost £39. Again, I think this is really cute. I think it's good value. I'd love to wear this with maybe like my denim skirt. I think it'd look really nice. Like the colour, like the quality. I like these star details. They're actually sewn on. I don't know whether you guys are going to be able to pick that up. And you can feel like they are embellished. They're risen just a little bit. So yeah, for me, I really do like that. That would cost, did I say how much it was going to cost? I think I did, £39. And last but not least were the trainers, which I can't find now. These are by Mango. They're called the Sport Trainers. The colour is an off-white. The size is a UK 7, and these would cost £35.99. Out of the whole box, these are my least favourite item. Do feel like they make my feet look absolutely humongous. Okay, so the subtotal for all the items was £238.94. If you buy all 5, you get a 20% discount, which will take off £47.79. Minus the £10 styling fee, the total order would be a whopping £181.15. So I have kind of said that I like my boxes to be around about the £150 mark. I'm a little bit stuck on this box because I actually really do like the star sweatshirt. I liked the zip through hoodie, and I did very much like the shirt, and I very much did like the biker jacket. So it would probably make sense actually to keep the whole lot. But can I justify £181 at this time of year? Don't know. Right, that's all I've got for you today, ladies and gents. I really hope that you absolutely enjoyed this video. I have to say it's a really good box from Katie. I had to just get round like my head thinking Katie and not Anna. Oh, I'm gonna really miss her. She's so nice and getting like on it with my styles. Never mind. Right, okay, so that's it, guys. Next video, Lock Hero. I've got it sat right there, so I'm gonna whap that up next, and hopefully you'll enjoy that video as well. Have yourselves a beautiful, wonderful, Merry Christmas. If I don't speak to you before now, also have a very, very happy New Year. Thank you so much for your support over this last year. I very, very much appreciate. Don't forget, if you want to be part of the gang, please subscribe. Please enter the Joffrey Star giveaway. And I'll speak to you in the next video. Take care for now. Love you all. Bye. Bye.